Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home. Okay, today is your subject English. Lesson number 6. It is revision. Lesson 6. Little Ants Big Plan. Revision of essay 1. Okay children, so today we will revise this lesson. You have written in your fair book also, and this is your revision. So you know what you have written in your fair book? Yes. See what you have written. Revise. We will do revision, hard words, meanings, fill in the blanks, true or false, give one word, rearrange the letters and question answers. Understood children? We all are going to this. We will revise. First what we will revise? Hard words. Then we will do meanings. Then fill in the blanks. True or false. Then give one word and rearrange the letters. Then we will do question answers. Okay children? Are you ready? Yes. Now see first we will revise hard words. Okay. You have to learn these hard words. Understood? See number 1. Little. 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 Number 2, ant, ant. Number 2, ant. Number 3, teased, 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 teased. Number 4, collect, collect, collect. Number 5, food, food, food. Number 6, winter, winter, winter. Number 7, underground, under, ground, ground, underground. Number 8, queen, queen. Number 9, fill, fill. Number 10, store, store. Okay children, you all have learned these hard words. Okay, so now you have written in your fair book also. Now see, number 11, work, 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 work. Number 12, restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. Learn the spelling. restaurant, restaurant. Number 13, carry, carry, carry. Number 12, vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. 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 Number 15, buns. 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 Number 15, buns. 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 Number 16, glad. 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 Number 17, baby. 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 Number 18, sister. 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 Number 19, hand. 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 Number 20, more. more. Okay, children. Now we will revise meaning. See, number 1 is teased. 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 Now what is the meaning of teased? Yes, this all meanings will come, then you have to select the correct answer. Okay, so you should know this meanings. Teased. What is the meaning of teased? Very good. Made fun of. MADE. Made fun of. FUN. Fun. OF. Of. Made fun of. Number 2 is glad. 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 You all know, no? What is the meaning here of glad? Very good. Glad is happy. 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 Glad. Happy. Glad. Happy. Queen was glad, no? When the stores were full. So glad means happy. Number 3, cheer. 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 What is the meaning of cheer? Very good. Give a shout of joy. See here the spelling. GIVE. Give a shout. SHOUT. Shout of joy. 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 Number 4, extend. 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 What is the meaning of extend? Do you remember? Very good. Stretch. 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 Okay, children? See now meanings. Teased, made fun of. Teased, made fun of. Glad, happy. Glad, happy. Cheer, give a shout of joy. Extend, stretch. Extend, stretch. Okay, children? Now we will revise. Fill in the blanks of lesson number 6. Very good. Number 1 is little. See, little loves to read. What little loves to read? Little ant loves to read. Little ant loves to read. Very good. Number 2 is ants collect the food. Ants collect the food. Number 3, queen wants to fill the store. What queen wants? Queen wants food to fill the store. Very good. Number 4 is a restaurant is a place where people go to eat. A restaurant is a place where people go to eat. Okay, children. Now see number 5. Little ant's baby. What little ant's baby? Extend her hand. Yes, little ant's baby sister. Extend her hand. Do you remember this? Okay, learn it well for your essay 1 exams. Little ant loves to read. Number 2, ants collect the food. Number 3, queen wants food to fill the store. Number 4 is a restaurant is a place where people go to eat. Number 5, little ant's baby sister extend her hand. Okay, children. Now we will revise true or false. Now you all know that true or false. Which sentence which are right are true. The sentence which are wrong are false. Okay. Now see number 1. Little ant loves to play. Little ant loves to play. Is this sentence right? No. So this is false. Okay. Number 2. Ants collect the food. Ants collect the food. True. 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 Number 3. The ants carry vegetables and fresh fruit. The ants carry vegetables and fresh fruit. This sentence is false. They don't carry fresh fruit, they carry buns, fresh buns. Okay, children. Now see again number 3. The ants carry vegetables and fresh fruit. False. Number 4. The stores are full. The stores are full. The sentence is true. 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 Number 5. Little ant's baby sister extends her leg. See your leg. Is this correct? No, this is wrong. Extends her hand. She wants a book, not to read. So what will be the answer here? Okay, read again and again so you will understand it. Little ant's baby sister extends her leg. So this sentence is false. Okay, children. See, we will revise once again. Little ant loves to play false. Ants collect the food true. The ants carry vegetables and fresh fruit. False. The stores are full. True. Little ant's baby sister extends her leg. False. Okay, children? So now again we will revise. Give one word. Okay? Now see. Number 1 is a place where the ants store food. Which it is place? Do you remember? A place where the ants store food. Yes, it is underground. What is it? Underground. Now see number 2. A place where people go to eat. Where people go to eat? Very good. To the restaurant. See again this. A place where the ants store food underground. UNDRGROUND underground. Number 2. A place where people go to eat. Restaurant. 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 Understood, children? Yes. Now we will revise. Rearrange the letters. See this. Rearrange the letters. Number 1. LAMLS. LAMLS. What is this? Very good. LAMLS. It is small. 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 Okay. Now see number 2. GLON. It is LONG. Long. Which spelling become? Which word it will become? Long. See the spelling? LONG. Long. Number 3 is LATL. LATL. So that is TALL. 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 Number 4 is SFTA. That is FAST. Fast. See here. FAST. Fast. Number 5. YCJUI. YCJUI. It is JUICY. 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 Okay, children? See here. LAMLS. That is SMALL. Small. See, the letters are not in order. You have to write in order so that it becomes a word. So rearrange the letters. Okay, children? LATL. That is TALL. Tall. SFTA. That is FAST. Fast. YCJUI. It is JUICY. Juicy. Okay? So now I hope now you all have understood this. So now we will do revision of question answers. Answer these questions. Okay, children? We have to answer it. answer these questions. So their questions will come. What did the other ants say to tease little ant? Question 1 is, what did the other ants say to tease little ant? What other ants told that ant? Do you know the answer? Yes. See, I am giving you answer. Answer 1 is, the other ants teased little ant by saying that ants don't read. Ants collect and store food. See, again I am reading this. Okay, children? Question 1. What did the other ants say to tease little ant? Answer 1 is, the other ants teased little ant by saying that ants don't read. Ants collect and store food. And the other ants teased little ant by saying that ants don't read. Ants collect and store food. Understood? So what they teased? The other ants teased little ant by saying that ants don't read. Ants collect and store food. Okay, children? Now see question number 2. Question 2. What did little ant do all day? See here. What did little ant do all day? What did little ant do all day? Can you tell me? This is a very easy answer. What did little ant do all day? Very good. You all are knowing, no, the answer? What other ant do? Little ant do all day. What little ant did? Answer 2. Can you know this? It is all very, very easy. Yes. Little ant read all day. See again. Question number 2. What did little ant do all day? Answer 2 is, little ant read all day. Little ant read all day. Okay, children? What did little ant do all day? Little ant read all day. Now you all are knowing this. Now see question answers. Question number 3. See question number 3. Why did the other ants have to work some more? Why did the other ants have to work some more? Why? Why did the other ants have to work some more? Do you know? Very good. Why did the other ants have to work some more? Very good. See here. Because, see this answer you have to start from because. Because the queen wanted food to fill the store. Understood, children? Answer 3 is because the queen wanted food to fill the store. Understood? See question 3. Why did the other ants have to work some more? Answer 3 is because the queen wanted food to fill the store. Okay children, see the spelling of because. You have to write correct spelling. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because the queen wanted food to fill the store. Okay children, because the queen wanted food to fill the store. Understood? Yes. Now see question number 4. Question 4. Why is the queen glad? See, glad means happy. Why was queen happy? Do you know the answer? Why is the queen happy? Why is the queen glad? Glad means happy. Very good. Very good. Answer 4 is the queen is glad because the stores are full. Understood? See question 4. Why is the queen glad? Answer 4 is the queen is glad because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because the stores are full. F-U-L-L, full. Understood? Why is the queen glad? The queen is glad because the stores are full. Very good. Now see. See the question number 5. Read properly. What did little ant's sister want to do in the end? See question 5. What did little ant's sister want to do in the end? What did little ant sister want to do in the end? Okay children, see the answer. See answer 5. Little ant's sister wants to read the book. Understood? See question 5 again. What did little ant's sister want to do in the end? Answer 5 is little ant's sister wants to read the book. Understood children? Little ant sister. Ant was having a sister. Little ant's sister wants to read, T-H-E, the, B-O-O-K, book. Okay children? So I hope now you all have understood these question answers. So, yes or no? Very good. So, you all have to write this question and you have written, no? You have to do this revision. Revise it properly. If you don't know the answer, write it down. Okay? Learn well. Learn how to write the answers well. Okay, children? Very good. Those who have completed their fair book. Okay? So, See now, be happy at home. Do your work properly. Complete your fair book if you have still not completed. And learn well whatever you have done. Revision. Okay, children? Thank you.